In this lesson, I will explain to you the concept of market basket analysis, which is also known by MBA in machine learning. So here I have written information that market basket analysis is one of the key techniques used by large retailers to uncover associations between items. What is the meaning of associations? Means same kind of products they buy. The customers buy same kind of product, that is called the association technique in machine learning. So in order to understand the concept of MBA, we will discuss frequent patterns. So what is the meaning of frequent patterns? So frequent pattern is divided into two categories. One is called the item sets, other is called the sequential pattern. What is the difference between these two? I will explain to you with the help of very simple example. But the story behind MBA is that with the help of MBA, the shopkeepers or the salesperson or the owners try to understand the behavior of the customer, or try to understand their preferences, their interest, what they usually or frequently buy from the stores. In this way they can increase their profit. So take the example first of all, we will discuss item sets. Suppose if you go to the convenience store, right, usually what you buy or every customer buy, you can observe the customers, or you can check the transactions database at the end of the day of that store, that whenever the customer go to the convenience store, they buy chips and drinks together, right? So this is called the item sets. These items are set. Or if you go to the grocery store, observe, stand 1 or 2 hours there and see what people are buying. People are buying different things, but you can check the buggy or the transaction database at the end of the day. You will see that egg and bread, every customer, normally every customer buy egg and bread. So this is the item sets. Now, take the example of sequential pattern. What is the meaning of sequential pattern? Now you go to the electronic store, and in electronic store you see that people are buying television first, and after television they buy television stand. Right after this, whatever movies or other games and whatever, but this is their sequence, that first they buy television, after they buy television stand. And you will observe that I'm not saying 100%, 80 to 90% customers buy these two products in this order. So with the help of these item sets and sequential patterns, the owner of the business try to understand the pattern or interest of the customer. And on the basis of these two, the owner tries to make his or her profit 100% or at least 95%. He wants to increase. This is the goal of the market basket analysis. So what he will do in this case, when he will observe, the owner or the salesperson observe that these are the item sets, normally they will put these two items together in the shelf, because when the customer will come, he or she will see directly these two items, and these two he will put maybe in the same shelf, or maybe he will give some discount in order to make in order to make the profit more. Now here in this case, right, he says, okay, this is the pattern, how he can increase the profit. Maybe he will say, I will give you 10% discount. So when the people buy television, definitely they will buy the television stand, because he is offering some discount. He knows the pattern, the sequence of the people, how they are buying, and now he is offering the discount, maybe 10%, 20%, 30%, whatever, right? And then Another technique to increase the profit is what usually they do. They put television on one corner of the store and television stand on the other corner, because they know that this is the patron. People buy television. After this, they will go to the other corner of the store to find out the television stand. But see why they are doing this. This is right during when they walk from here to here, from one corner of the store to the other corner. Definitely they will see some other things, maybe movies or games and whatever. They will also buy these things, or the maybe the owner will also provide some discount here, that if you will buy the television, I will give you 10% discount on television stand and 20% discount here. In this way he can increase the profit. So this is the story of market basket analysis. I hope the concept is clear. Please read this, whatever I have written this for you. It will make your concept more clear. After this, you have to subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel. Thank you so much.